Let's roll. Hi! Heading on the final backpacking trip for the 2024 season. I am in Yosemite. I am heading to Nelson Lake, which is a cross-country trail out of Tuloumne Meadows, which is behind me with a large tractor going by. Very scenic. Anyways, another solo trip. I brought my fly fishing rod instead of my Tenkara this time, since I'll be doing primarily lake fishing, and it's October 4th, so I'm hoping the fall bite is on and the brookies are hungry and ready to eat. So anyways, it's about 6 miles to Nelson after I get past Elizabeth Lake. From there, it's unmaintained trail over into Nelson, so bear with me as we go on a real exploration together. My first time doing a cross-country hike and backpacking trip, so I'm stoked. I'm feeling good. Weather's supposed to be nice. Looks like it rained a little bit this morning. Other than that, lucked out. No fires and no rain and no snow, which is incredible for the first weekend in October. So anyways, let's go on a trip together. So typically you start from the Tuloumne Meadows Campground, but it's been under a multi-year renovation, so the campground's closed. So I started kind of near just west of Parson's Lodge. You saw the Trailhead sign. So I'm going to cut over, walk behind the campgrounds, and then I'll link up with the Nelson Lake Trail. And about, I don't know, I think it's a little under a mile. So as of right now, with the campground closed, it does tack a little bit of mileage onto this, but nothing too dire considering it's already a pretty short hike mileage wise to Nelson Lake. Plus, this is pretty dang beautiful. I cannot complain. Hey, look at this. Elizabeth Lake. Cool. I was not expecting that. All right, here we are at the map. We're right here right now. I'm gonna take the trail to Elizabeth Lake, and from here we'll go up and over this pass, parallel Echo Creek, and then kind of bushwhack right here over into the south end of Nelson Lake. So that's the plan. Again, no maintained trail. Made it to Elizabeth Lake. That was the easy part. Let's see. So 3.3 miles. Took me about 2 hours, a little less to get here. Again, that's with a little detour because I was not able to start from the Tuloumne Meadows campground. Hopefully next year in 2025 you will be able to start from there. So that'll shave a little bit off the mileage, but not too bad. It was fairly moderate to easy to get to this point. And I have it all to myself. There is nobody here. This looks like the inlet into Elizabeth. And I'm just sitting here wondering if you can fish this when it's full of water. It looks pretty amazing. Might have to come back in the spring and check this out when it's full of snow melt. But yeah, in case anyone's wondering, it is October and the creek is dry, so don't rely on this to fish and don't rely on this for water. You'll have to get your water fill up at the lake if you need a resupply before getting over to Nelson. Wow, look at this. It's beautiful. Oh, there's even a little bit of snow up there still. I don't know if you can see it because it's a GoPro and can't really zoom in, but a little patch of snow up there. Okay, well, I got about a third of a mile walking through this beautiful meadow, and then the climb starts. It's about a little over half a mile and gain about 600-700 feet in elevation, it looked like, to hit that pass. So that's next on the agenda. Lambert Dome down there. Made it. That wiped me out. That kicked my butt. So yeah, there's that. Not really up for talking right now. I want to get off this ridge. It's windy and I'm not feeling too hot right now. I started at sea level this morning, where I live, and I'm at 10,100 feet right now. So I'm gonna start heading back down over here through next to Echo Creek, and hopefully I'll start feeling better. But anyways, made it. I'm feeling much better now. I ate, drank some water, and dropped in elevation a little bit. So, and we're going downhill, so using less energy. Anyways, I still have yet to see a single person on this trail. I've been by myself this entire time. I anticipate people being at the lake. If not now, I think I saw some permits were out for tonight online. So there might be some people following me in. They're not there already. So I'm okay with that. It's a big lake. And this has been pretty cool experience to do this entire hike by myself. Anyways, I'm almost to the point where you kind of got to scramble and bushwhack over some granite and through a little forest section to drop into Nelson. So we'll see how that goes. I've heard from most sources that that's kind of the part you just got to pay attention to, but it's short. Once you're up and over the hump, you'll see the lake and it's easy from there. So anyways, we're almost there. I'm gonna set up camp when I get there and do some fishing. That's happened to me 100 times today. Anyways, all right. No complaints about these views. Okay, I survived that section. Definitely needed my map. There's some sections you could see where the trail is, kind of like right now. You can see behind me. But lots of granite and just walking through forest. So please have a map with you if you're coming here. Unless you already know how to get here because you come here all the time. Anyways, I'm almost there. It's right over this bend. Woohoo! Excited to set up camp and start fishing. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go head over to the east side of the lake. Looks like there's some people set up here. As I expected, there would be somebody here. I don't know if you've been here before, you know, but I've also heard scuttle. There's a bald eagle that lives here, so hoping I get to see a bald eagle while I'm here. Anyways, I'm gonna head over to the east side. Oh, what time is it? 3:30. Wow. Probably gonna eat a little bit and fish. That's what I came here to do. That's all I'm gonna do tomorrow. So it's really nice. Perfect temperature. The wind's blocked a little bit in here, which is awesome because it was super windy everywhere else today. And yeah, I'm stoked. Just gonna enjoy this evening. I already found my first bear tracks. There's one. I'm on the marshy side of the lake. And then there's this one. Him leaving her. And then you can tell they walked through this mushy mud at the time. Want to get some water. I'm gonna try to go fish right over there on those banks. We'll see what happens. The lake looks pretty shallow. So anyways, I'm gonna go explore. Wanted to share the bear prints.